Hello, ANML community. Today we are going to see machine learning, supervised learning quizzes. We can go to gopi.chandrakesan.com, menu quizzes, machine learning basic quizzes, and we can go to machine learning supervised learning. These quizzes contains fill in the blanks, true or false, missed words, and drag and drop, many things. You can go and take the quiz and check your knowledge as well. Types of supervised learning algorithms. So we have a hierarchical cluster analysis, support vector machines, SVM, decision tree, linear regression, and logistic regression. So support vector machine, decision tree, linear regression, and logistic regression or belongs to supervised learning algorithm. Hierarchical cluster analysis belongs to unsupervised learning algorithm. Let's check. Yeah, correct. So three important things in support vector machines SVM. One, classes of data points, support vectors, hyperplane or decision boundary. Let's check. Yeah, correct. Supervised learning algorithm trains with the training data sets and validate through validation test data sets. Yes, it's true, because we train with the training data sets and then we validate with the test data sets. True. Check. Drag the words into the correct boxes. Blank algorithm is best example to use blank approval. So logistic regression algorithm is best example to use for credit card approval. Support vector machine SVM is used for both data classification and regression. Yes, it's true. We can use it for both classification and regression problems. Next, drag the words into the correct boxes. Blank uses labeled data to predict blank with help of blank. So supervised learning use labeled data to predict unlabeled data with the help of algorithms. So we have a different type of algorithms. We already saw that, right? Linear regression, logistic regression, a decision tree, support vector machines, and many more. Supervised learning splits into less than 30% of training data sets and more than 70% on validation or test data sets. But if you look at it's the other way around, it's actually a false, because we need more training data. So we always give more than 70% of training data sets and actually 30% or 20% in validation test data set. It's actually a false. Let's check. Yeah. And then the training data which fed to the algorithm contains a desired output for a given problem. Example, a person learns a tennis with coach, because supervised learning algorithm always require a training data sets, then we validate through test data sets, as I said, right? So we need always have the data. Without the data we cannot do. So true. And then drag the words into the correct boxes. Blank helps data classes to find blank. Support vector machine SVM helps data classes to find a maximum marginal hyperplane MMH. We can see in the future support vector machines how it works and how the algorithm gets the marginal points and then how it detects. Types of data sets in supervised learning. So we have a training data sets we already saw in the previous quiz, and then we have validation or test data sets. There is no word called dummy data set, so it's actually, we don't need to select that. It's actually, so check. Yeah, it's correct. So we have done everything is correct. It's actually, we can see we finished. So we got a 20 out of 20. If you want to see this, so the solution, so if you mark anything as wrong, then it will give you even the solution as well, which one you selected incorrect and which one you selected correct as well. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can post more videos in the future. Thank you.